we're at the mercy of the breeze.
Sure, when you say it like that, it sounds relaxing.
Hey, everybody! Downdraft!
Look out! Water lines!
Girls, you know what to do.
Get this started!
With our angle of descent, leaning will be ineffectual.
What?
We're gonna crash.
Oh no! I knew I should not have forsaken the rigid beauty of my candy-colored schedule!
The bubble's expanding. It's Baljeet's breathing. It's blowing the bubble up. Everybody breathe heavy like Baljeet.
Yes, sir.
We're doing it. Baljeet, you totally saved us.
When in danger, I always hyperventilate.
Yes! Thank you! You're the best!
Thank you very much.
I'm next, Barry the Platypus. After this concert, I will be the most well-liked man in the tri-state area.
So, what do you think? We're in the top 20 with a bullet in just 3 days.
Yes, we're so excited that
We have decided to cancel your debt.
in exchange for a share of the profits,
We are your new partners.
That was weird.
Hey, somebody's dreaming, huh?
I think I just saw Mort on the wing of the plane.
You got Madagascar on the brain.
Yeah,
That was it was incredible, wasn't it?
vacation.
Yeah, I think it'll seem much more fun the further away we get from it.
Like when you bit me on the butt?
I'm gonna take that thing you're holding on to, and I'm gonna use it on stage. It's all part of my little actor's salad bar of emotional tidbits.
Now, are the butts next to the croutons at the salad bar?
You don't need to be sarcastic,
Hey
Marty.
guys, I was thinking, when we get back, I might just sign up for the breeding program.
Breeding program?
I think we all reach a point in our lives when we want to meet somebody, settle down, have a relationship.
Yeah.
See that?
What?
It's premature.
Like dating?
Yeah, dating.
Other guys?
What do you mean, other guys?
Darn it! What is holding up that beverage service? I'm gonna go check.
Yeah, y'all keep talking. I'm gonna catch a